Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Mexican burrito wrap using an easy method. First, let's talk about the foundation, your ingredients. You'll want to gather all your fresh components, like seasoned meat or beans, rice, and your favorite toppings. Crucially, choose a large, soft flour tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches, as this will be much easier to fold without tearing. Now, let's start building. Begin by warming your large flour tortilla for about 10 to 30 seconds per side in a dry skillet or microwave. This makes it pliable and less likely to crack. Next, lay your tortilla flat and arrange your fillings in a line, slightly below the center. Remember, don't overfill. A quarter of the tortilla's surface is usually enough to ensure a tight, mess-free wrap. The key to a perfect burrito is the fold. First, fold in the left and right sides of the tortilla, about 1 to 2 inches over your filling. This creates a barrier to prevent spillage. Then, bring the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the filling, tucking it in tightly. Continue to roll the burrito upward, pressing gently to keep everything compact and secure until it's fully wrapped. Once your burrito is expertly wrapped, you can serve it immediately or take it a step further. For a delicious crispy exterior, and to help seal the seam, grill or pan-fry it for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. You can serve it whole, or for a nice presentation and easier eating, slice it in half diagonally. Enjoy your homemade Mexican burrito wrap. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easy, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.